Secretariat East, out of 780, imagine, what kind of an election is this? 780, 778 go to one person, sponsored, supported by the village leaders. And out of 872, 862 again went to the candidate supported by the village. So where is the free and fair election? People were asked to surrender their epics to the village leaders. One of our polling agents in Mayapalak, Nartian constituency was abducted for many hours on that day. And another fellow in Shiliang Mintang constituency was taken by these opponents. They were about to throw him from the bridge. And how can you say that there is a free and fair election, sir? And I have with me also a copy of FIR. There are many, in fact, FIR which we have complained to the police department. And I'm telling you, as a party who represent the voice of the people party, we will not sit idle. We will not leave the stone unturned till the people of Giant Hills are getting the opportunity to exercise their franchise freely. I'm asking this to the Chief Minister of the state. I'm not asking to Mr. Conrad Sangma as an individual, but as the Chief Minister of the state. He is not only the leader of the treasury bench, sir. He is also our leader and the leader of the state.